Hello folks. So in this video, I'm going to create the vector. Okay. So let's start with creating a vector. So first of all, let's import the NumPy package. Okay. And then press Shift Enter to basically execute this cell. Now vector can be created in two ways. One is a column vector, another one is a row vector. So let's create the column vector first. So create the column vector. Okay, so we can create a column vector like call vect equals to np dot array. Okay, and then we'll give the element information. So let's say 0, then 4, then 7. Okay, so this will be our column vector. Press shift enter, column vector is created. And let's see here as call vect. Okay, so now you can see that column vector is created here. If we want to create a row vector, then we can give the statement like uh, create the row vector. Okay, so the statement would be like a row vect. This is the syntax for it. Then np.array, same thing, and then within brackets or braces, give the elements like this 4, 7, 8. Okay, print row vectors. So you can see this is a row vector. Okay. All right, so I will cover the how to create the matrix in the next section. Thank you.